to AGORACOM Talks, your weekly go-to source for the best small-cap headlines for over 65 million investors since 2007. Okay, let's dive right in. We're doing a rapid deep dive today looking at 5 key small-cap announcements. We're focusing specifically on the financial and operational results that really warrant some immediate due diligence from you. Let's start with ESGold Corp. That's ESAU on the CSE. Headline: ESGold secures $9 million strategic partnership with Ocean Partners as Montauban progress accelerates. Really interesting financing structure here.
Yeah, it really is. What's compelling is how they did it. It's non-dilutive. They've got this up $9 million facility structured with about $3 million expected relatively soon before phase 1, and then another $6 million down the line before phase 2.
And the non-dilutive part, how does that work?
Well, here's the kicker.
Yeah.
The repayment is tied directly 100% to the future gold and silver bore output from their Montauban project.
Dore output. So the unrefined metal bars they produce, they're essentially paying it back with future product, not stock.
Exactly.
Yeah.
No selling more shares, no shrinking the pie for existing investors. The CEO, Gordon Robb, put it pretty clearly. He said the facility, quote, significantly strengthens our financial position and ensures debt obligations will be serviced through operating cash flow rather than equity dilution.
That's a strong signal, confidence in their production timeline, I guess.
Definitely. It de-risks the balance sheet significantly.
Okay, moving from mining finance to biotech milestones. Quantum BioPharma, symbol QNTM. They're advancing toward a phase 2 clinical trial for a potential multiple sclerosis treatment.
That's right, Lucid-MS. The compelling result here is the completion of, well, 2 critical studies. Yeah. The 90-day oral toxicity study and the toxicokinetic study.
And why are they so important right now?
Because completing these successfully is, a fundamental requirement to support their investigational new drug application, the IND.
Ah, the IND, the big gateway to human trials.
Exactly. Clearing this hurdle significantly de-risks the path forward. It positions the drug, which targets demyelination, that's the nerve damage in MS, for those crucial phase 2 trials in actual patients.
Got it. So a major step. The executive co-chairman commented on this.
He did. He basically said they move significantly closer to initiating our phase 2 trial of Lucid-MS in people with multiple sclerosis. So a clear, measurable advancement.
Okay, from drug development risk to maybe a signal of reduced investment risk, let's talk insider confidence. PyroGenesis Inc., PYR on the TSX.
Oh yeah, this one definitely caught my eye.
Headline: PyroGenesis launches private placement as CEO pledges major investment.
Right, so they're doing a non-brokered private placement, aiming for about $5 million total. But the really telling part, the compelling result for investors.
The CEO's involvement.
Exactly. CEO Peter Pascali intends to personally subscribe for up to $4 million of that $5 million raise.
Wow, 4 out of 5. So 80% of the capital potentially coming directly from the CEO's pocket.
That's the plan. It's one thing for management to say they're confident. It's another thing entirely to write a multi-million-dollar personal check. Massive insider alignment.
Hard to argue with that kind of skin in the game. Okay, let's pivot to actual reported revenues. ZEFI on SIBO Canada.
Zephyro.
Headline: Zephyro Methane reports $32.4 million in revenue as new management drives strategic realignment.
So the compelling number there is obviously the $32.4 million in consolidated revenue for their fiscal year end 2025. That's a solid top-line figure.
And any operational highlights supporting that?
Yeah, they also mentioned selling 48,536 tons of carbon offsets just in Q3 2025. It suggests they're making progress in monetizing those environmental assets under the new management strategy.
Okay, revenue generation, which leads us nicely to our last one, technology commercialization. HPQ Silicon Inc., HPQ on the TSXV.
HPQ Silicon, right?
The headline: HPQ Silicon ships first industrial batches of advanced silicon anode batteries.
This is a pretty big step. It marks that shift from R&D, from lab bench, towards actual commercial readiness. They've shipped out initial industrial batches.
Industrial batches, meaning ready for customers to test or use.
Essentially, yeah. These are, those standard cylindrical cells you see everywhere.
Yeah.
Power tools, electronics, even EV packs.
And the performance, that's what matters.
Absolutely. And the data sheets they released look strong. It positions their silicon anode tech as a potentially serious high-performance alternative in the market.
So quite the range today, huh? From non-dilutive gold financing to IND clearance, big CEO bets, carbon offset sales, and now high-capacity batteries actually shipping out.
Yeah, it really shows the breadth of activity happening just beneath the surface in the small cap space. Lots of different ways companies are trying to create value.
Go explore those original press releases. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be back next time on AGORACOM Talks.